In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off print pages in reverse order in Microsoft Word quickly and easily. If your documents are printing from the last page to the first page, this setting is usually the reason, and the good news is that it only takes a few clicks to fix. This is a useful adjustment if you want your pages to print in normal order, especially for reports, assignments, letters, or any document where page sequence matters. Before we get into it, if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tips and tricks. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word and load the document you want to print. Once Word is open, look toward the top left corner and click File. This is where you can access the main settings and preferences for Word. After clicking File, scroll down and choose Options. This will open the Word Options window where you can customize different features of the application. In the Word Options window, click Advanced from the left-hand menu. This section contains a wide range of editing, display, and printing settings, so take your time and make sure you're in the correct place. Now scroll down through the advanced settings until you find the print section. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll a little farther to locate it, but it should be listed near the lower part of the window. Once you find the print section, look for the option labeled Print Pages in Reverse Order. If this box is checked, Word will print your document from the last page back to the first page. To turn that off, simply uncheck the box. After that, click OK to save your changes and close the Word Options window. Now go back to your document and try printing again. This time, Word should print your pages in the normal forward order, starting with page 1 and moving through the document as expected. If your printer settings were also changed separately, it may be worth checking the printer dialog as well, but in most cases, this Word setting is the one causing the issue. And that's it. You've successfully turned off print pages in reverse order in Word. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.